during the late summer and early fall. Many beekeepers may want to keep their bees stocked up on their honey reserves to survive the winter, and a great way of doing that is using a bee feeder. The type of feeder you use depends on the time of year. An entrance feeder can be used during the spring, while an inside feeder is used during the fall and winter months. This prevents hive robbing in the winter months. The ratio of sugar to water should be 1:1 during the spring, and 2:1 during the fall and winter when the temperature is above 50 degrees. Since it's the winter, we will pour 5 1/3 cups of water and 10 2/3 cups of sugar for a gallon. When making sugar syrup, we use white sugar according to a report by the New South Wales government. The ash content of white sugar is lower than alternative sugars like organic sugar. While sugar has 0.03 ash content, while organic sugars are with as much as 0.20%. The lower the ash content, the fewer digestive issues for the bees while processing the sugar syrup. To make the syrup more nutritious, we can add 2 through 8 teaspoons of Honey Bee Healthy and can add NoseFit Plus as directed by the manufacturer. To use an inside feeder, place the super over an inside cover and place the feeder on top of the slot, then place the outer cover on top of the super. Make sure to check the status of your bee feeder twice each week and feed according to your goals.